Dakota tribe is very different. If they live now, that would be silly.
Yeah.
They have to change the whole calendar. But they don't know how you change them. They don't know what's going to be next, what's going to be next, what's going to be next.
పట్టుకోనా పర్లే
They'll
పట్టుకో
change it. That would be silly. Yeah, so
నేను పట్టుకుంటాను
they don't know how.
I saw one bird, but at school I was looking up and I saw a bird.
And then the bird was very scared. Like the tree is going to fall down, the bird thing. But there was too much snow on the tree. And then so the tree began to fall. The branches began to fall, and the birds just went away because of the heavy snow. Look.
Oh, it is really hot, but
Yeah, it's very cold, isn't it?
yeah.
It's winter back.
I know my
Bharat, you like winter?
It's winter.
Bharat, you like winter?
No, I like spring.
I like winter because there's lots of so many things to do outside. We can have like we can make lots of things. We can make sports or things, or we can play Star Wars.
Oh,
Yeah, you can play games. So there's a dark side and there's a good side, and then you pick up the snow and make the fort. Which fort has lots of snow, they win. And you can make snowballs, lots of things. But outside, you can play tag, jump roping, and basketball,
బాగుంది
running.
యాక్చువల్గా
But
బాగా
more
చేసావు
things
ఎప్పుడు
ఓకే
చేసావు
థ్యాంక్ యూ
in snowing.
ఎప్పుడు
You can ride in the
చేసావు
woods.
పన్నావా పాతే అనేది
కొన్నావా? చేశాను.
ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు?
ఎవరు తేలేదు ఎవరు ఇవ్వలేదు ఈ మధ్యన ఇవ్వడాలో తగ్గాయి
You can build a snowman with springs. You can make an igloo. But spring, you tell. I don't play on.
because Rita has to wear snow pants for you.
Well, so what? So why? What? It's not because you're not having comfortable. Your goal is having fun. People like fun instead of like.
Now we can play tag. We can play basketball.
Yeah, but there's not that much reason. But they have lots of activities. But they have only school activities. Exciting activities. But in winter, there's not just making a snowball, sled. You can ride on a dog, sledding on a dog. Get it?
చూడు స్పీడ్ ఉన్నారు
And even look at the trees. They look so beautiful.
యా యు ఆర్
The heavy
రైట్
snow will get in the snow.
Look at the
and it looks like
now.
Yeah, it's spring. But it doesn't look like it's spring.
Yes, you're right, Tarun. That even in last 30 years or so, there were no such spring had this kind of snowfall.
Yeah. Again, it's 2 inches for. Does it fall 6 inches or 2 inches?
3.
Oh, I think.
And then 3 inches when I went to school.
Maybe it's still snowing still. Maybe it might fall a lot.
I got another one.
I don't want it. You can eat it.
Bharat, you need to speak something else, not that one. Same.
Oh,
How is this spring?
I have a question, Daddy.
This
What?
time
What's
is
this
French, but it doesn't look like. Look,
Okay,
it's really snowy today.
that's the 7th. And what happened before?
What
There
is
was
this?
like, remember, in the morning, there was some snow and tornado coming at the same time, remember? In a different place. That's this event happened before, or
Minnesota or somewhere else you're talking.
Minnesota. My teacher said last
Minnesota, there was no snowfall like this in spring for last 30 years or so.
yeah. But this event I'm talking about, is this event ever happened? Remember today, like this morning, in a different place, but in Minnesota, there was snow falling and tornado at the same time.
I don't know that one. That I did not get through. How do you know that there was a tornado?
My teacher told me that.
Okay. I
There's
didn't.
snow, it's morning, but it's not snow.
Tornado, I don't know. I did not heard about tornado.
Yeah, so I think
But,
you have to check.
Yeah, I'll check once we go home. We'll check it in news. But when I came from office, I've seen that many cars went off the road because it's not cleared in some places. It is very slippery.
Me too. I saw one also. And some people had to push it.
So snowy bad. So I don't know, like, how much
Hey,
snow
hi!
is gonna fall down?
I'm invisible now. I'm invisible, so you cannot see me. I see that truck.
Daddy, how
Behind
many inches is it going to fall?
I don't know. It's almost 10 inches. I think 5-10 inches.
Not 5 10. Below 5 maybe.
Not too much.
I'm just putting in a truck.
2 inches. Like a 2 centimeters.
It's continuously falling that snow.
Yeah, maybe when it ends, maybe it will be more than like 2 centimeters or 2 meters.
I mean, there will be snow till tomorrow. Tomorrow, sometime from 10 o'clock or so. 10.
So it's gonna snow a long time.
Do you want to have?
No thanks.
Bharat, do you want to have?
Did I take a video on me, please?
Bharat, do you want to have this one?
What? Alright, could you respond?
chocolate
Can you respond? No. Why can't you respond?
Look at I mean,
ఈరోజు చాలా గ్రేట్ తెలుసా
Why
నేను
would you eat a ice
2% చేస్తావా?
The person will lose a job if they
యాక్చువల్గా వండలేదు అనుకున్నాను నేను
నొప్పడానికి ఏముంది?
అలా కాదండి ఇలా చెప్పాను కదా ఏంటంటే ఎక్కువ ఆకలేయడం తినకుండా ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ కూడా ఉండలేకపోయారు
ఈరోజు నైట్ డిప్లొమెంట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది.
ఏం స్నో వల్ల
ఊగేదానికి సమ్మ.
దేనికి క్యాన్సిల్ చేశారు
ఏమో
ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయినట్టు కదా